Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to connect Wix Automations to Google Sheets with Zapier. So here I am in my Wix website dashboard, and for example, I have an automation right here in Wix Automations where it sends an email whenever a form is submitted. So what I want to do is that I want to connect this Wix automation with Google Sheets so that it will automatically create a spreadsheet for me about all of the forms that is submitted. So to do that, what you can do is that you can go right here to Zapier and then make sure you already have your account. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to click create and then click Zaps. So from here, we are going to create an automated workflow in Zapier so that our Wix automations and Google Sheets are connected. So from here, let's select the trigger event. So from here, just type in Wix. And then we should see Wix right here. Then from here, we need to set up our Wix account. So for the trigger event, let's find right here, automations or Wix forms. So let me type in forms right here. And then let's connect our Wix account. So I'll just click sign in. And then from here, you need to select the Wix website that you are using. So I'm currently using this one, the C Clothes Copy website. So I'll just select this. And then let's confirm this one so that Wix and Zapier will be connected. Then from here, our account is now connected right here to Zapier. So from here, we can now go ahead, click continue, and then the form submitted right here. Let's select this one. And then we can select which specific form that will trigger this Zapier workflow. So you can say all right here where it will apply to all of your forms, or you can also select a specific form. So from here, you need to select your form right here, and my form is this one, the my form 1. Then from here, you can click continue, and then now you can test the trigger right here. So if it is working, so just click test, and then now the test is working properly. So you can just click continue. And then for the second step, we need to select Google Sheets. Since we have set up our Wix forms, we now have to connect our Google Sheets account. So from here, for the action event, let's create a new spreadsheet row for every Wix form that is submitted. Then right here, we need to connect our Google Sheets account. So just click sign in. So from here, just confirm the changes or the permissions. And then now your account should be selected. Click continue and then choose the specific drive that you want to use. Right here, choose your Google Drive. And then for a spreadsheet, you can go ahead and select your spreadsheet that you want to use. So for example, I want to use this one, the example spreadsheet. And then for the worksheet, let's choose class data. Click continue. And then let's test it out if it is working. And then if it is not, just click help me fix it. And then you just need to fix the error in your spreadsheet. Or let me just create a new Google Sheet right here. So I'll just sign in my account. So from here, I'll just name the spreadsheet Wix to Google Sheets. Save it right here. Then let's go back to Zapier. Then let's change the spreadsheet right here. Let's refresh the results and then we can see the spreadsheet right here. And then let's continue and then test. Now this should be working since we have created a new Wix form, and then now we can just publish this. And then that is it. So we'll just wait for this to finish. And then now we have created our Zapier workflow. And then that is how we can connect our Wix automations to Google Sheets using Zapier. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.